In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in any document using Office software like Writer, Calc, or Impress. Whether you're linking to a web page, an email address, another document, or even creating a brand new document to link to, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open your document. It doesn't matter if you're using Writer for text documents, Calc for spreadsheets, or Impress for presentations. The steps will remain consistent across each platform within the suite. Once your document is open, you'll want to highlight the text or select the object you wish to transform into a hyperlink. If it's a picture or a shape that you're working with, simply click on it so that it's selected. This step is crucial because it tells the software exactly where you want your hyperlink to be made. Now, let's navigate to the Insert menu. Simply head to the top of your screen, click on Insert, and then choose Hyperlink from the drop-down menu. This will prompt a dialog box to pop up, offering you several options. Here, you get to choose the type of link you want to create, which will depend on where you're intending to direct your hyperlink. If you're planning to link to a web page, you're going to select Internet. This option is perfect for URLs, whether they're HTTP or HTTPS. Alternatively, if you're linking to an email address, you'll want to choose Mail and News. This feature will create a clickable email link that opens a new email directly in your visitor's default email program. If your destination is another document, be it a PDF or another format, opt for Document. This is extremely useful if you have files stored locally that you want to connect to your current document. And lastly, if you're inclined to link to a new document, the New Document option will allow you to create one on the spot and make the link ready for future use. Once you've chosen your link type, you'll see a field labeled Target. Here, you'll either type or paste the destination where your link should lead. If it's a website, copy the URL and paste it directly into this field. Things like https www.openoffice.org are perfectly acceptable examples. After entering your desired link, you're almost done. You'll notice the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. Go ahead and click Apply to set your hyperlink, and then Close to exit the dialog. Now your text or object has become a functional link. That's all there is to it. Creating hyperlinks in your documents not only enhances the interaction for your readers or viewers, but also elevates the overall professionalism of your files. So go ahead, give it a try, and see for yourself just how easy and effective it can be. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.